I am the lecturer of Gandhi School of Engineering. Today I will discuss about how to calculate or how to find out the center to center length of walls. Okay. First we can see the figure. This is a building drawing. Okay. And there is 3 bedrooms is there. Okay, and one drawing room is there, one front veranda is there, back veranda is there, and a bathroom. Okay, so for calculate this, we have to know how to calculate center to center length. So a small example I can give. See, suppose it's a room of 6 meter into 5 meter. Okay, it's a wall thickness of 0.30. So how can we calculate this? This is 6 meter and this is 5 meter. Okay, so for this room, center to center length is obviously 6 meter length is long wall and 5 meter length is short wall. So for long wall center to center length equals to, see, this is a wall of 0.30 thickness. Okay, so for this process we have to consider the, it's a breadth and it's a other side breadth. So first we can calculate 6 meter plus, this is 6 meter plus it's 0.30 wall thickness. For this we can write 6 meter plus half of one width plus half of other side width. Okay, so what can we write? Half of this, so 0.30, we can take this in meter. Okay, by 2 plus other side 0.30 by 2 equals to 6 plus 0.15 plus 0.15 equals to 6.30 meter. So as we see, the center to center length is calculated by this process. Okay, so it's a long one. For short one we can do short wall center to center length. Okay, so what's the dimension? 5 meter. 5 meter plus, obviously the same process, half of one width plus half of another width. It's a center. Okay, so half of this 0.30 for one side plus 0.30 by 2 for other side. Okay, so this is 5 plus 0.15 plus 0.15 equals to 5.30 meter. So the center to center length of short wall is 5.30 meter. Okay, center to center means it's 5 meter and this center to this center 5.30 meter. Okay, and for long wall, same, for this to this 6.30, right? 30 meter. Okay, so now we can calculate for the building drawing. So for our comfortability, first we can take this area, this rectangular portion. See, there is a rectangular portion, yes or no? So we can take whole this area, one bedroom plus drawing room. So we can write this drawing and bedroom combined. Okay. So for see how many long walls are there? There are two long walls clearly shown in figure. There are two long walls, and how many short walls are how many short walls is there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 short walls for is there. So at first we have to calculate long wall center to center length. So first what we can write, see this is 5 meter to 5 meter into 6 meter, and this is 5 meter into 4 meter. So for long wall, for this area, this is a long wall area, we have to calculate in center to center. Okay, so at first we can put 6 meter, so we can write 6 meter plus next it's 4 meter is there, so we can write 4 meter, 6 plus 4 plus this is a wall thickness. Obviously this is a wall thickness of 30 cm, but when we calculate the long wall, so whole long wall is included this only, na? Obviously this is included in this long wall, so we can put 0.30. Okay, plus next see there is 30 cm thick wall, and other side other wall is also 30 cm thick, so we can take 0.30 by 2, half of breadth, right? So 0.30 by 2 plus half breadth of other side, same 0.30 by 2 equals to 6 plus 4 plus 0.30, this is 0.30 equals to 10.60 meter. Okay, so we already find out the long wall center to center length for bedroom and drawing room combined. Okay, now we can find the short wall also. So for short wall, what is the calculation? Center CC length. Okay, so see for the dimensions, it's 5 meter, it's also 5 meter. So for short wall we can write 5 meter first, 5 meter plus what can we do? At first we can take half of breadth of one side and half of breadth of other side. So we can write with this 0.30, half of this by 2 plus 0.30 for other side, 0.30 by 2 equals to 5 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. Okay, so 5.30 meter is the answer. So this is the center to center length of short wall for which area? For bedroom and drawing room combined. Okay, so this whole part long wall, short wall is done. Okay, so next what do we do? So next we can consider, see 2 bedrooms is there, and the wall is from this to this only. Okay, this was also starting and ending for this to this only. So we can take we can write 2 bedrooms combined. We can combine for of long wall and short wall. Okay. So for long wall, see, there is two bedrooms are there and dimensions are 5 meter, 4 meter. Okay. Obviously, the long wall is this and short walls are this and this. So, two long walls are there and three short walls are there. So, for long wall, center to center length, at first we can put 5 meter. Obviously, long wall is there, this to this. So, at first we can write 5 meter plus this room area is 4 meter, this to this 4 meter. Okay. Next, this is a 30 cm thick wall. Okay. For this long wall, center to center length, this is also included. Okay. So we can write 0.30 plus, as we know, we have to take the length half of breadth from one side and half of breadth of other side. So this is 30 cm and this is also 30 cm. So we can write 0.30 by 2 plus 0.30 by 2. Okay. Equals to 5 plus 4 plus 0.30 plus 0.15 plus 0.15, right? So 5 plus 4, it's 9 plus 0.30 plus 0.30. Okay, so 9.60 meter. So this is the calculation of center to center length of long wall. For which area? 2 bedroom combined area. Okay. So this is done. And for short wall, long wall is done. Okay. 5 plus 4 plus 0.30 plus half of breadth of two sides. Similarly, for short wall, center to center length, short wall center to center length. Okay, so what can we do? See, there is a 4.5 meter length and this is 4.5 meter length. So we can put 4.5 meter first. Okay, plus what can we do? It's 0.30 from one side, 0.30 from other side. Okay. So we know 0.30 is the thickness and we have to consider half of this. Okay. So 0.30 by 2 plus 0.30 by 2. One breadth and other breadth equals to 4.5 plus 0.30, 0.15, 0.15, okay. So 0.80 meter. This is the center to center length of short wall for which? For this area. 2 bedroom combined. Okay. Long wall is also we are calculated and short wall is done. So what will be the next? See, the next is, see, there is a front veranda and back veranda. Okay, so we have to calculate front veranda first. Okay, so we can write first long wall center to center length. Okay, see, there is, it's a we have to calculate for this area, okay, this rectangular section. So we know this is 5 meter, okay, this is 4 meter. So similarly, this portion is this to this is, suppose there is a wall, okay. So this to this area is 5 meter and this to this area is 4 meter, okay. And this is 30 cm thick wall. So this is 0.30 meter, obviously. So we can write same 5 meter for this area, 5 meter plus 4 meter for this area, 4 meter plus see, there is 0.30 thick wall and 0.30 thick wall, okay. So it is 0.30 thick wall, and this side, right hand side, there is thickness of 0.20 for varanda, okay. So we can write plus 2 into 0.30. See, there is 2 into 0.30 plus 0.30 by 2 for this wall, and for other wall its thickness is 0.20. So we can write minus 0.20 by 2. Why this is minus? For this, okay, we can already we write 2 into 0.30. So we have to subtract this, okay. So the answer is 9.65 meter. Okay, done. It's the center to center length of long wall for front veranda, okay. For side wall or short wall, see what we can do. Short wall, center to center length equals to, okay, see, first one is, first we can put the dimension for 2 meter, it's shown as figure 2 meter plus, this is a 20 cm thick wall and this is a 30 cm thick wall. So what we can write? 0.30 by 2 for this thick wall, and for other side 0.20 by 2, right? 2 plus 0.15 plus 0.10 equals to 2.25 meter, okay. This is the center to center length for short wall or side wall of this, okay. So we have done this area and this rectangular portion and this portion, okay. So the remaining is this portion. So we can write back veranda center to center length, okay. For long wall, at first we calculate for long walls. So see, this portion of this rectangular portion and this rectangular portion and the whole length of long wall is same, okay. 5, 4, 0.30, 0.20, okay. So we can write long wall is same as front veranda long wall. We can write long wall is same as front veranda long wall, okay. So for short wall, this is this dimension is changed. See, See, it's 2 meter and it's 2.5 meter. So we have to calculate this. So short walls equals to short wall center to center length. Okay. So for short wall center to center length, what we can do for this? We put 2.5 first. Okay. Next, it's 0.30 thickness one, and the other side is 0.20 thick one. So we can write 0.30 by 2 plus 0.20 by 2. Okay, equals to 2.5 plus 0.15 plus 0.10 equals to 2.75 meter. Okay, so the center to center length for short wall for this area, for back veranda area, is 2.75 meter. Okay, so all the center to center length is found out. Okay, next we can calculate now we can calculate the long wall, short wall for each and every section. Okay, for what? For first class, for earth working. Okay, so first item number, okay. Next, particular items of work. Okay. Next, number, length, breadth and height. Okay, so at first we have to write this. Okay, item number is 1, right? Particular item number, what we can do first? Excavation in foundation. So it's earthwork excavation in foundation. Okay, so first we take long wall.